Zaphela iy'nkinga zomuntu omnyama. Gone is-stress because of le app. The truth shall set you free. So lalela muntu omnyama, i-Love 8 niyayazi? Aniyazi? Asiqale. Go to Google Play Store, Huawei Play Store or Apple Store and download i-Love 8. Understand ukuthi it supports i-Android. It also supports i-iOS, aka i-aphula. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi what is i-Love 8 and how can it end i-stress sami? Understand ukuthi Love 8 is a relationship companion app that is designed for couples. Its main purpose is to help couples stay emotionally connected, communicate more, and track each other's location and share private messages inside the digital app. It is mainly marketed to long-distance couples, young couples, married couples, and dating partners who want constant connections. Imagine a world where you don't have to worry ukuthi where your partner is, who he is with, and what they are talking about, because i-Love 8 will make sure to connect your love. It will send you i-location yakhe. It will send you ama-conversation that exist with-phone, including WhatsApp, including ama-DM, go Facebook, go Instagram, go TikTok, including ama-SMS. Yes, understand ukuthi it will also tell you ukuthi what are they talking about around the area, because as long as he or she is carrying iphone yakhe, i-Love 8 will always tell you what they are talking about. Real-time location sharing. This is the app's biggest feature. Understand ukuthi le app offers a live GPS tracking between partners, real-time location updates. It will tell you where he or she is every time. Understand ukuthi it also offers distance tracking, movement history throughout the day. You will know where your partner went. You will hear the conversation they were having. You will know what they were doing. Understand ukuthi it also offers notifications when your partner arrives or leaves the destination. This app can help in relationship yakho because it can offer a current map location of your partner, battery level of phone ye partner yakho, ama movement status akhe, last seen on all social media platforms. You will know ama last seen on every single social media anayo. Understand ukuthi it also offer ama route movements akhe. Why couples use this? Because it offers safety. It makes you feel emotionally connected with your partner, knowing where your partner is at all times, even when he or she is long distance away from when. Wait, there's more. It also offers a speed alert. That means if partner yakho inemoto, you will know how fast he or she is driving, so you can call and tell them at least speed. This app also offers a private couple space where you can share photos, save memories, post messages, create timelines, and also store relationship memories. Yebo, you heard me correctly. You can save the anniversary date yakho and it will tell you the countdown days until your anniversary. You can save your partner's birthday and it will count down the days until usuku arrives. So you don't have to stress. And understand, this app was sent by uNkulunkulu. It is here to save our relationships.